Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I will be doing an unboxing video. Now this is not an unboxing from Dollar Shave Club. You know, when you do this for a little while and you lend watches back and forth to other enthusiasts and other YouTubers, you tend to recycle the same boxes. I actually removed the label from Kevin from Wrong Time Watch, who sent it over to me, and it had another label underneath from somebody who I recognized as well. So this is not a tour watch that I believe, but Kevin asked me, or Kevin sent it over to me, and I think this watch came into Random Rob at one point. And so they did ask me if I wanted to review it, and I said sure. It is a new, I believe it's a new microgram. And a lot of bubble wrap here and unwrapping. Oh, that's pretty neat. So this is the Nereus, I believe how you say that, Nereus Santiago diver, and it's in matte blue. Now this watch, I believe it was a Kickstarter, and now it's past that, but you can get these. Are still available. They're available on bracelet. It does come with a bracelet, I believe, and you can get it in a date or no date, GMT or diver. This one is MSRP, or it's listed for $3.99 on the nearestwatches.com website, and I'll put a link to their watches. Let me put this on wrist. It's on this nice blue NATO, navy blue NATO. It's sort of bringing me back memories of the Tudor Black Bay 58 that the blue one that I had. So this is definitely an homage piece. Maybe not to the Tudor, maybe it is, or maybe to a Submariner. I feel like a lot of these micro brands do that, but this is a nice, a decent looking watch. Fits pretty well. The dimensions are really good on me. I bet it's about a 40 millimeter case diameter, and I'm scrolling through the site. Yeah, 40 millimeter, 48 millimeter lug to lug, around 12 millimeter case thickness. It's got a Miyota 915 movement on it. Okay, yeah, so pretty cool. Pretty standard micro brand fare, I think, for a lot of the divers around this price range. So anyway, guys, I'll wear this for a few days and I'll put out a review video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.